1964 Volkswagen Beetle. Price: $16,750. Location: Washington. The 1964 Volkswagen Beetle is more than just a car. It is a global icon that represents simplicity, reliability, and timeless design. Finished in a stunning sky blue exterior with a warm cognac interior, this classic Beetle immediately captures attention and nostalgia in equal measure. The unmistakable rounded shape and compact proportions make the Beetle one of the most recognizable vehicles ever built. Its charming design isn't just about looks. It also delivers a driving experience that feels light, engaging, and enjoyable, whether you're cruising through the city or taking a relaxed weekend drive. The heart of this Beetle has been upgraded to a 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled flat-4 engine, paired with a smooth 4-speed manual transmission. The addition of dual Solex carburetors enhances performance and responsiveness, while the upgraded 4-wheel disc brakes significantly improve stopping power, making this classic more practical for modern driving conditions. The exterior details are where this Beetle truly shines. Chrome bumpers with guards, chrome trim headlights, and classic fender-mounted turn signals all come together to create an authentic vintage appearance. The 15-inch steel wheels, fitted with Baby Moon hubcaps and Coca Classic white-wall tires, complete the look with a perfect touch of retro elegance. The interior offers a delightful blend of simplicity and character. Featuring front bucket seats and a rear bench seat, the cabin is both comfortable and nostalgic. The 2-spoke Batwing steering wheel, VDO instrumentation, and Blaupunkt Wolfsburg radio provide an authentic driving atmosphere that transports you back to a golden era of motoring. The 1964 model holds a special place in Beetle history, as it represents one of the final versions before Volkswagen introduced larger windows and more modern updates in 1965. This means it retains the earlier, more classic proportions that many enthusiasts prefer today. The overall condition of this vehicle reflects careful ownership and thoughtful upgrades, making it not only a collector's item but also a car you can truly enjoy on the road. It's a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that still delivers charm, personality, and driving pleasure. The 1964 Volkswagen Beetle remains a symbol of enduring design and engineering brilliance, simple, iconic, and forever loved across generations.